All right, dude, I found this Bando, a little overgrown. We're just gonna take the Nazgul in there. I got the watermelon props on there now. Looks pretty sick. Yeah, I'm gonna take the Nazgul in there and I'm gonna see if I can fly through some of this, but it is like really overgrown. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna probably try to dive that water tower too, just because why the hell not? Yeah, that's it. Let's fly the Bando.
Discard!